Will you pull that microphone down, please?
Perez, you can tell the court what you'd like.
My name is Jasmine Perez. Susana was my little sister. First of all, I just wanted to thank everybody for working on this case. All we ever wanted was justice for what happened to her. So I want to thank her for that. I mean, nothing will ever bring her back. To this day, I still hope that I'll see her again.
There's nothing to be sorry about.
I just ask that he receives the maximum sentence because no family, no mother, no father, no one deserves to go through this. No one deserves to go through what he went through all these years. These 2 years, I'm sorry.
Jasmine, I'm so sorry you lost your sister. I'm so sorry. You lost your sister.
Thanks, Your Honor. Susana's other sister, Yulisa Sharia, would like to speak.
I just wanted to thank everybody. Thank you, the juror, Connor, everybody that worked in this case. I think you guys worked so hard to give justice for my sister. I just wanted to let you know what our family went through. Seeing my mom devastated every single day, not knowing what could happen to my sister was very, very disappointing, devastating. Seeing my mom not eat, not be able to sleep. Seeing my mom not wanting to cover herself, thinking that she could be somewhere lost. Thinking the worst as the days pass. It's very, very hard not to think anything positive. As days, months, weeks pass, our minds were thinking the worst. Every single day, we had a different theory what could have happened to her. Maybe she got kidnapped. We didn't know anything. Every day was a new series in our mind, like a movie going through our heads. What's happening? What was she going through? Is she being held? Is she being forced to do something? I couldn't even have intimacy with my husband, thinking that she could have been being raped during that time. Seeing my mom lose weight that she never lost over years. She lost weight over 25 pounds during not knowing, thinking in the rain. Is she wetting herself? Is she outside? We didn't know. It was something that I don't desire anybody to go through. And we're here today. Thank you, thanking everybody that was involved to have this moment where at least we know something and have peace knowing that justice was made. I want to thank you and our family for the full closure of this case.
I am so sorry for the loss of your sister. And I hope that after today there will be some measure of peace for you.
Thank you.
That is what I wish upon you, that you'll have some peace.
Thanks again.
Your Honor, lastly, Susana's mother, Maria, would like to speak. And Your Honor, the interpreter is here to interpret.
It's okay. It's okay.
Primero que todo, quiero dar gracias al fiscal por ayudarlos. Hizo un buen trabajo.
First of all, I want to thank the ADA for helping us and did a good job.
Gracias al jurado por tomarse el tiempo de estar aquí.
Thank you to the jury for taking the time of being here.
A cada uno de los que han estado conmigo desde el primer día.
Each one of the people that have been with me since the first day.
Y a los medios también. Me han apoyado mucho.
And the media too, they have supported me a lot.
Ha sido muy difícil desde el primer día que mi hija desapareció.
It's been very difficult since the first day that my daughter disappeared.
Ha sido un cambio en vuestra vida de toda mi familia porque principalmente yo,
It has been a change in our lives.
pensando cada
On behalf of my client, I do want to thank the jurors for their time and attention. It was very obvious that they paid attention and took notes. To the family of Susanna, I am so sorry for your loss. I didn't really interact with y'all a lot on breaks because I don't really feel that that's appropriate. But Miss Maria, you were very gracious when I did interact with you. So I appreciate that. Your Honor, I just wanted to point out a few things. My client's family left. His mother, father, some aunts and uncles, both grandmothers. The grandmothers were able to sit through more of the trial. They have a family friend here now as well. This has been overwhelming for them. He is their miracle baby. He was adopted at a very young age, and I believe especially Miss Tracy, his mom, he was her life. This has been devastating for them. As the court knows, there were times that they simply could not be in here. I feel assured that this type of behavior is certainly not how they raised him, and quite frankly, the acts that they heard in descriptions of him during this trial was too much for them to bear. I have notified them. I did reach out to them. I just want to point out to you that my client just turned, well, not just, but a little while back, turned 23. He's only 23 years old, Your Honor. I understand the state's request. I understand the havoc that he did put on Susanna's family. I'm just asking the court to please consider his age and take that into consideration for the sentencing.
Mr. Bryant, do you want to say anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to say anything? For, go ahead.
No, you can speak from there.
I just want to apologize to everybody and to the victim's family. Sorry,
That's it. Mr. Bryant, on count 1, malice murder, I sentence you to life without the possibility of parole. Count 2 and count 3, I believe, vacate as operation of law. Count 5, I sentence you to 12 months, which is the maximum I can, consecutive to your life without the possibility of parole. Thank you. You may go with the deputies.
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
Certainly.
Certain courts do it differently. With the court, when I filed the motion for new trial, would you like for me to officially file a motion to withdraw?
That's all right.
Yes.
I'm just going to appoint an appellate lawyer.
Yes,
Thank you, Ms.
thank
Drake. Thank you, Ms. Drake and Mr. Dobbins, for your service. Thank you very much for your service. All right. If you will, I'm going to ask the jury to go back to the deliberation room.